Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And a lot of people love to ask me this question, like, "Yo, how are you so wise? How do you get so much wisdom? Is it because of the books that you read? Is it based upon the things that you do? Is it because you're self-developed?" No, I actually gonna tie this part of me happened to me when a traumatic moment happened to me, and it's due to the fact that I've experienced what dying felt or could have felt like. So when I was around 16 years old, I got in a car accident. And at the same time, when I got in a car accident, I was driving without a license, and I lost control of the car and I crashed. And then that same moment, I also lost my dad. The guy that raised me, the guy that I love. My dad. So I lost my dad, and I got in a very bad car accident after when he died. And those two traumatic moments really changed my life because what it did was show me the perspective of what life could have been like and what life could have feel like to be ended. And I remember the moment when I got in that car accident. I was supposed to pick up my friends. We were supposed to go to a party, and I decided to not bring them in the car. And it so happened that I ended up crashing moments after that. But coming out of that accident, I remember I went through a traumatic moment where I had what's known as the flashback. Before you die, you get a full flashback of your entire life and you see everything from your childhood. I remember going all the way back to as far as my bicycle, my red bicycle that I had on my veranda when I lived in Jamaica that eventually got stolen. And I remember when I got in that car accident, it was very, very life changing because an enlightenment happened to me over the years. I became different. I changed. I had a different point of view. I seen life in a different way. I seen the world in a different manner, and I started moving differently. And sometimes they say when you come out of a traumatic moment or a life or death situation, it changes you, and I believe that because that's what really happened to me. And over the years, all I've been doing is just pretty much trying to seek my greatest version of myself and just work on myself, trying to get myself better. And even though I encounter many different challenges and overcome so many obstacles, I just have a fighting spirit that believe that nothing happens to me, it happened for me. Nothing is going bad for me, it's going good for me. All my setbacks are setting me up for a greater comeback. So I've learned that through experiencing the opportunity of almost dying, I've grow with a new appreciation of life. And I think that's why I've learned to just seek so much knowledge and understanding. And I guess that's what made me become wise. So sometimes you have to experience things or you got to learn from things to gain wisdom. Keep winning.